Good morning. Today we will discuss BCD to binary code conversion. The given BCD data to convert into binary format. Write an assembly language program to convert a 2-digit BCD data, 2-digit BCD data to binary data. The BCD data is stored in 8200 and to store the binary in 8201. 8201. Here BCD to binary code conversion or decimal to hexadecimal code conversion. BCD to binary or decimal to hexadecimal code conversion. The given data 72. The given data 72. This is for BCD. This is for BCD. 2-digit BCD. 7, 2 single digit and 7 single digit. Now these two for 2-digit. 2-digit BCD. Now to convert binary format. Now to convert binary, BCD, the corresponding decimal 72. Now to convert into binary or hexadecimal format. Okay, the 72 we can represent 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Ones 2 and tens 7. This is for 7 into 72 means 7 tens and 2 ones. First we have to separate 72 into 2 single digit 02 and 07. First we have to separate the 72. This is for 2 digit to separate into single digit. 2 single digit 02 and 07. Here 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1. We have to multiply 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Whatever data we can multiply with 1s, we will get the same result. So no need to multiply. We can directly add with this result. Here 7 into 10. Seven into 10. First we have to separate 07 and 02. 2 single digit. Here 7 into 10 means 7 we have to multiply with 10. Multiply with 10. First we have to separate 2 single digit. For the 72, the given data 72, we can move into some other register. We can move. This is for first to load accumulator 72. The same data we can move some other register. Suppose B also 72. Now first the 72 to make into 02. Okay, for that we are given 72 to make 02. For that to mask the most significant 4-bit 0 and least significant 4-bit as it is. For that, the logically AND, immediately the logically AND with the 0 F. This is for logically AND A and I 0 F. Now, this is for whatever data in LSB 4-bit, the same data will be reflected, and MSB the 4-bit will be 0. In the result accumulator, A equal to 0 to after logically AND. Okay. Now 72 we can change into 02. Okay. 02. Now the 02 we can move into some other register. Suppose D. Okay. Now D to move 02. After that, to get the same data in B register, the D register data we can move into again A register. Now A equal to 72. Now the 72 we have to make into 07. We have to make 07. For that, the 72 we have to mask. We have to mask the least significant 4-bit. Okay, for that A and I logically AND with the 0 F. Logically AND with the 0 F. Here, sorry. To make the 2 0 and 7 as it is. For that, we can logically AND F0. We can logically AND F0. Now result after logically AND, this is for full 0, LSB 4-bit 0 and MSB 4-bit, whatever data, that data will be reflected in C. Now accumulator result 70, but require 07. Now the LSB 4-bit data to move here and the MSB 4-bit data we can move that side. For that, we can use R and C into 4 times. R and C into 4 times means we can use R and C, R and C, R and C and R and C 4 times. After R and C 4 times, now accumulated result 07. Accumulated result 07. Okay. Now the accumulated result 07 we can move into some other register. Suppose C register. Now C register 07 and D register 02. Now 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Now 2 multiply with the ones, we will get the same result, so no need to multiply. And 7 into 10, 7 into 10, now to multiply these two, here the 7 available in C register, and to fix 10, the corresponding decimal value 0A E register. 0A in E register. Now to multiply 7 into 10, for that we can use the repeated addition concept. Repeated addition concept. Okay. Repeated addition concept. First we have to clear accumulator 00. First we have to clear the accumulator 00 to fix the C register or E register, any one register data for counter, any one register data for counter, and second register data we can add with the accumulator. Either add accumulator with the E register 7 times or accumulator data add with the 10 times. Okay. Now to fix E register for counter. Now we can add with A and C. We can add with A and C. How many times? 10 times. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 into 10 times. Now after addition, after 10 times addition, now result we can get 46. 46 in hexadecimal and corresponding decimal 70. Okay, 7 10 times. Okay, now result 70 in decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 46. Okay, now this result 46 and this result 2 in the register. Now to add these two values, this result available in accumulator and this result available in D register. Now to add these two data, D register with the accumulator. Now accumulator plus B equal to 46 plus 02 equal to 48. This is the 72, the corresponding binary value 48. This is for binary result. 72 BCD 2 digit and the corresponding binary value 48. Now 72 BCD or decimal. Now the decimal value we have to convert binary or hexadecimal. For that we can divide 16. 16. How many times? 4 times. 4 times is 64 and subtract 72, remainder 8. Remainder 8. Now we can write the result like this format. 72 decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 48. This is the format. Okay. First we have to load the data in accumulator. The accumulator data we can move into some other register. Suppose B register. Now accumulator and B register same data. Here the 72 we can write 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1's format. That is 2 1's and 7 10's. First 2 into 1. Whatever data we can multiply with 1, it will get the same result. So no need to multiply. Okay, first we have to separate 02 and 07. Okay, for that the 72 we can make the most significant 4-bit 0. Okay, and the least significant 4-bit as it is. For that the accumulator content logically and with the 0 F. Now after logical and accumulator result 02. Now the 02 to move some other register D. After that to get the same data available in B register. The B register data to move accumulator. Now accumulator 72. To make least significant 4-bit 0 and the most significant 4-bit as it is. For that we can use logically and F0. After logically and accumulator result 70. But require 07. For that 70 means 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. This is for LSB 4-bit and this is for MSB 4-bit. Okay. Now the LSB 4-bit data to move here and MSB 4-bit data to move here. For that we have to rotate 4 times. For that we can use RLC 4 times. After RLC 4 times, now accumulator result 07. Okay. We got this 02 and 07. Now the 07 we have to multiply with the 10. Here the 10 for decimal and the corresponding hexadecimal value 0A. Now to fix 0A some other register. Now accumulated result Okay, accumulator 07. Now the 07 we have to multiply with 10. Okay, for that we can use the repeated addition. Repeated addition, we have to clear initially the accumulator content 00. Now the accumulator 07 data temporarily to move into C register. After move C register, now to clear accumulator content, now accumulator will be 00. Now to fix any one register, data for counter. Now to fix the E register for counter, the C register data we can add with the A register 10 times. After addition, after 10 times addition, now accumulator result 46 in hexadecimal and corresponding decimal value 7 into 10, 70. Okay. Now the 46, 7 into 10 result. Now the 2 into 1 already in D register. Now add these two result. This is what available in A register and 2 into 1 available in D register. Now to add these two, for that we can use A plus D. A value 46 plus D value 02. Now add these two and the result 48 in accumulator. 48 in accumulator. This is the format for to convert the given BCD data into binary format. Okay? Any doubt? No doubt. Okay. 2-digit BCD data to convert binary. The BCD data to store 8200, 8200, 8200, data 72. This is for BCD data. Now to convert into corresponding binary value. This is for load the single data. For that we can use LDA8200H. The 8200 address location data directly to load into accumulator. Now accumulator 72. The same data we can move into B register also. MOV B comma A. Now register B also 72. Okay. Now to most significant 4-bit 0 and least significant 4-bit as it is. For that we can use logically and ANI to make. This is for MSB 4-bit 0 means use 0 and LSB 4-bit as it is means we can use F and H. Now logically and accumulator 72 and immediately given data 0F. After this operation, now accumulator result. This is for 72 and 0F means 0, 2 in A register. Now accumulator result to move some other register. Suppose D register. MOV D comma A. Now accumulator result to move D register. D equal to 0, 2. Okay. Next, to get the same data available in B register. Now the B register data to move A register. Now B to A. Now A equal to 72. To make the least significant 4-bit 0. Okay. For that to fix 0 and most significant 4-bit as it is, we have to fix F0. We have to logically and. After logical and, our result 70 in accumulator. We have to logically and ANI F0H. After logically and, now accumulator result 70. Okay. Now this accumulator result 70, but require 07. For that, now the accumulator result we have to rotate into 4 times. We can use RLC 4 times. RLC, 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 and RLC. After 4 times RLC, now accumulator result 07. This 07 data temporarily to move some other register. Suppose C register M, O, B, C, comma, A. Now C register 07. Now to multiply 07 into 10. 10 means 0A. For that to fix any one register. Suppose E register for 0A. 0A means 10. Now 10 we have to multiply with this 7. For that initially to clear the accumulator content 00. Now register A 00 and E register 0A. Now to multiply either accumulator with the or 07 or we can multiply accumulator with the E register. To fix any one register for counter, here to fix the E register for counter. Now repeated addition A with C register till A register 0. Okay, we have to add 10 times accumulator with C register. Add A, B, add C. Add C. Now as add accumulator with C, the single time addition over. For that to decrement the A register single times. Now D, C or E. Now 09. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0 means jump to no 0 and jump to here. Again add A, add accumulator with C. Already accumulator 07. The 07 we can add with the C. 14 in decimal and the corresponding hexadecimal value 0E. It will repeat the same process until the E register 0. When the E register is 0, now accumulator result. Now accumulator result after E register 0, 46. 46 in hexadecimal and the corresponding decimal value 70. Now this is for 7 into 10 result and 2 into 1 result available D register. Now to add these two data, accumulator with a D register. For that we can use A, D, D. A, D, D means it will add accumulator with the D register data. Now D equal to 02, add these two. Now A equal to 48. Now the 48 result to store 8201 address and alter the program. And this is for 8201. Now result 48H. This is for binary data. This is a program for to convert the given BCD to binary code conversion. Any doubt? Okay. Thank you.